Sorry guys, I was cut off, but I'm going to do my best to kind of help go back where we're at. So we are done talking about the 4 parts of the plant. We talked about the roots, the stem, the leaves, and the flower. I know you really like my hand motions. Now you are going to complete a project called a plant foldable. So you have, that is not it. So you will not have your class roster like I have. You will have this, which is a plant foldable with the 4 plant parts. And when you open up the flaps, it shows you exactly what the function of that plant is. So you see on the outside and functions on the inside. So how do we get to this? First of all, you take a white sheet of paper. If you have a computer sheet of paper, I prefer that. But if you only have notebook paper, we'll work with what we got. Okay. So step 1, take your paper and fold it hot dog style, right? This way. It's hot dog style, the long way. Okay. This is step 1. Very easy. Okay. Step 2 is at this point you have, it opens like a book, right? On the outside cover, I'm going to switch over to this. You are going to draw a flower just like this. Okay. I have really big at the top, my flower. I have my stem going down to my roots and with my leaves up here, just like that. So if you can see, the stem is extended very, very long down to my roots and the flower is big at the top. Okay, yours is not going to be cut yet. This is a finished product. You're not going to cut until the very end. Okay, so I've drawn it. You're going to color it. You know me, I don't like any white space. So background color needs to be blue. Okay, then you're going to label it. You label it flower, leaves, stem, and roots. Okay, again, here's another example. They accidentally cut it twice, but flower, leaves, stem, and roots. These are actually an 8th grade example. We learn more, but you're just going to label it beside it. Okay, no white space. And then this is the tricky part where you'll cut. Okay, if you notice, this one, we're going to pretend there's a flower drawn on here, has front and back. When you cut these little slits in, you are just going to cut through that first sheet of paper. So just through this sheet of paper. If you cut this part too, your diagram is going to completely come apart. Okay, so you are just going to cut this first part. And underneath it, based on this PowerPoint, I'll upload it to your material list. You're going to write the function on the inside. Flowers, we just learned like behind me. Reproductive structure found in flowering plants. Pollinators lay in here. You'll write that there. Behind leaves, I told you this is where the leaves' food are made. Whatever's in that PowerPoint slide, write it here. Okay, stem, it said it's the supportive structure of the plants, transports water and nutrients. Write it here. And with the roots, there's a lot of things on that slide, right? I just want you to write the 2 main things. Anchors plants to the ground and absorbs water and nutrients. So you have an interactive foldable. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can open the flower, see the flower, open it up, know the function. Same with the leaves, stem, and roots. And that's what we're going to work on for a couple of days. Again, don't forget office hours, 1:30 to 3:30 if you have questions. I'll also be watching you guys submit and work where I can for the first 20 minutes of class. So anytime you need me, email me, all that good stuff. Okay? Good luck. You're going to do great.